Today we're at the Colorado Mills Mall that was pretty much devastated by a hailstorm on May 8th in 2017. It punctured the roof in hundreds of thousands of locations, and it pretty much produced a waterfall inside the building that filled the building with water. All of the flooring, wood floors with a plywood substrate, and tile and carpet was destroyed. We had an estimate of about 6 months. We came back a couple of weeks later after the remediation contractor had done a significant amount of work, and we extended that out to about 8 to 10 months.
When Simon Properties, the largest shopping mall operator in the United States, told the Beck Group and Heuler Tile they didn't have 10 months to reopen, the contractors needed an innovative solution.
In the early days, we knew that we had to come up with some innovative ways to do things to be able to turn the mall back over to Simon and let them operate it by Black Friday.
We were tasked to complete 100,000 square feet of an 1.5 inch mortar bed.
Our original estimate was about 10 to 12 weeks to get the floor, the cap down, and we were able to accomplish that in 3 weeks.
In the early stages and discussions was strictly about small bag mixes. We jumped ahead of the pack when we introduced the SuperCap possibilities.
We had a time crunch and we had a solution. The LATICRETE SUPERCAP Ready Mix program was the solution.
The LATICRETE SUPERCAP system is probably the only way this could get done in that timeline, and there's only 12 guys in there doing it. This is not a 100-man crew with mixers and pumps trying to do it.
SuperCap took 10 days. Small bags would have took 10 weeks.
As you can imagine, a bagged system, cap system, would have been very difficult with almost a mile loop that we would have had to be hauling bags, mixing, creating immense amounts of dust. And so when we found out that we could do this all from a truck and feed it into the mall at the different entrances, it was a game changer.
We didn't lose any time from the time we put the SuperCap down until the trades could go back to work.
SuperCap was used as a traffic surface for 75 days after it was installed, and it performed marvelously.
So we had forklifts running down, we had lanes going 20 miles an hour with materials distributed all over the building, running right over the top of the SuperCap.
And because of the mass amount of work done on this project in a short period of time, we couldn't have done it without SuperCap, because we didn't really ever shut any work in the mall down while we were leveling the floors. And then of course we left it down until after the holidays, and now we're back putting the tile down. Well, when you're using large floor mat tile, it doesn't bend. So if the floor's not level, you have to constantly adjust the setting bed underneath the tile.
We appreciate the technical staff and the knowledge that LATICRETE brings to our operation.
I guess the nicest thing about it was how clean it was. The fact that there was no dust in the building, there was no bags in the building, there was no mixing in the building.
We're always looking for solutions to difficult problems. SuperCap was our solution to the problem out here, to get a walkable, cleanable surface down to get the mall open.